What's the first thing that comes to mind when you get an unexpected bonus or extra cash? Are you already planning to splurge on that new gadget, a weekend getaway, or maybe even a shopping spree? Hold on a second. Before you get carried away, did you know that there are smarter ways to use the extra money that could boost your financial future significantly? In today's video, we're diving into 10 smart things to do when you get a bonus or extra cash that will not only help you today but will set you up for long-term financial success. Let's jump in. 1. Build or boost your emergency fund. The first step you should take when you get extra cash is to ensure your emergency fund is well funded. You never know when the unexpected will happen, whether it's a medical emergency, your car breaking down, or a sudden job loss. A solid emergency fund provides a safety net that keeps you from sinking into debt when life throws a curveball. Financial experts recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account to cover emergencies. If you already have an emergency fund, congratulations. But is it enough? With inflation and changes in your lifestyle, it's always good to revisit your emergency fund and adjust it as needed. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have enough savings to cover an emergency without worrying about dipping into your investments. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt can be one of the biggest barriers to achieving financial freedom. Credit cards, personal loans, and payday loans can carry interest rates that drain your wallet. If you have high-interest debt, one of the smartest things you can do with extra money is to pay it off quickly. The longer you carry this debt, the more you end up paying in interest, which limits the money you can use to invest in your future. Think about it this way. The interest on your debt might be much higher than the returns you could get from most investments. By paying off your high-interest debt, you not only save money but also free up more cash to put towards other goals. This also gives you a huge psychological boost. There's nothing like the feeling of being debt-free. Once this burden is lifted, you can start focusing on building wealth and investing for the future. 3. Maximize your retirement contributions. If you're serious about long-term financial growth, boosting your retirement contributions is one of the smartest things to do with extra cash. Whether you have a 401k, IRA, or another retirement plan, increasing your contributions now can make a significant difference when you retire. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Consider this. Even if retirement seems like a long way off, the reality is that time is your greatest asset when it comes to growing wealth. Putting that extra money into your retirement accounts ensures that you are not relying solely on Social Security or other forms of income when you retire. If your employer offers a match, make sure you're taking full advantage of that free money. Investing in your retirement now can secure a comfortable future without financial stress. 4. Invest in a diversified portfolio. Once your emergency fund is set and your high-interest debt is cleared, it's time to start investing. Diversification is the key to building a portfolio that will grow steadily without exposing you to too much risk. By spreading your money across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even real estate, you reduce the chance of losing money if one sector underperforms. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. You can start small by choosing low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that give you exposure to a wide range of companies or sectors. The beauty of this strategy is that you don't need to pick individual stocks or try to time the market. Diversification helps smooth out the bumps during market volatility and gives you a balanced approach to investing. 5. Explore low-risk investments. Not everyone is comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, and that's okay. If you're risk-averse or prefer stability, low-risk investments are an excellent option for your extra money. Consider government bonds, high-yield savings accounts, or money market funds. While the returns on these investments may not be as high as stocks, they come with much less volatility. Low-risk investments are ideal for preserving wealth while generating a small but reliable return. They are perfect for building a financial cushion without the stress of market fluctuations. And once you've built a stable foundation, you can explore higher return investments down the road. Slow and steady wins a race when it comes to safeguarding your financial future. 6. Start or expand your investment in real estate. If you're looking for a long-term strategy that offers both capital appreciation and regular income, real estate is a great choice. Whether you're buying rental properties or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, real estate has long been a proven way to build wealth. With a solid property market, You can generate passive income through rental properties and see your investment grow over time. Don't have the capital to buy property outright? No problem. You can start small by investing in REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. Whether you choose traditional real estate investments or passive options, real estate can diversify your portfolio and provide a steady stream of income. 7. Consider investing in loans. Want to try something a little different? Consider investing in loans. Platforms like Mintos allow you to lend money to borrowers and earn interest over time. This is a smart option for people looking to diversify their portfolios while avoiding the volatility of stocks. Plus, you get to choose a level of risk you're comfortable with, making this a flexible option for anyone. Investing in loans allows you to support borrowers and earn a return on your money at the same time. It's a great way to put your extra cash to work without having to worry about market ups and downs. The best part? You can start with a relatively small amount of money and gradually scale up as you become more comfortable with the platform. 8. Build a saving plan for future goals. It's easy to focus on short-term goals when you get extra money, but what about your long-term dreams? Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, starting your own business, or planning for retirement, creating a dedicated savings account for future goals is an excellent way to stay on track. By separating this money from your regular checking or emergency fund, you'll be able to see your progress and stay motivated. Setting clear financial goals and sticking to your savings plan is essential for reaching major milestones. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or pursuing a passion project, having a strategy for your extra cash will ensure you don't lose focus. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes to reach those big life goals without stress or scrambling for cash when the time comes. 9. Experiment with different investing strategies. Once you've taken care of the basics, it might be time to experiment with various investing strategies to find what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so don't be afraid to try different methods to grow your wealth. Strategies like dollar-cost averaging, smart beta investing, or portfolio diversification can help you fine-tune your financial approach. By experimenting with different strategies, you can discover which ones align best with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you prefer a more hands-off approach or enjoy actively managing your investments, finding the right fit will give you the confidence to grow your money steadily. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and you'll find the right path to building wealth. 10. Invest in your financial education. Finally, one of the best things you can do with your extra cash is to invest in your financial education. The more you learn about how money works, whether it's through books, podcasts, courses, or webinars, the more confident and capable you'll be in making smarter financial decisions. Financial education empowers you to take control of your money rather than letting it control you. By continuously improving your financial literacy, you can unlock new strategies for wealth building and avoid common money mistakes. Think of it as an investment that will pay dividends throughout your entire life. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of personal finance, ensuring your financial success for years to come. There you have it. 10 smart things to do with your extra cash. From building an emergency fund to investing in your financial education, each step brings you closer to securing your financial future. Remember, every dollar you receive is an opportunity to make smarter choices that will pay off in the long run. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial advice that can help you take control of your money. Drop a comment below about which strategy you'll be implementing first. Let's make 2025 your year for financial growth and success. Thanks for watching.